In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in school. Whether you're traveling, have moved to a new place, or just realized your settings are off, adjusting this ensures that your schedule aligns perfectly with Skool's features. Let's dive right in and go through this simple process together. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Skool and hit enter. Once the search results appear, find the first result on the list. This will likely lead you to the main Skool website. Click on it, and this will direct you to Skool's homepage. Once you land on the Skool website, you'll need to log in to your account. Enter your credentials in the login fields provided. This typically includes your email and password. Clicking the login button afterward will take you into the Skool platform. Now that you're logged in, locate your profile, which you can usually find in the top right corner of the screen. It's typically represented by your profile picture or initials if you haven't set a picture yet. Click on your profile to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll spot the Settings option. Go ahead and click it. This will direct you to the Settings page where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. In this section, you'll focus on the account settings, so next, click on the Account tab. Now we're getting to the core of today's task. On the Account Settings page, you will see several options available for customization. Look for a section related to time zone settings. Click on the current time zone to open a list of options. Here, you can view a selection of time zones to choose from. Scroll down until you find the one that matches your current location or desired time zone. Selecting it will automatically save your changes. It's as simple as that. Your new time zone is now set and all times displayed within Skool will reflect this change. This is particularly helpful for scheduling sessions, meetings, or simply keeping track of event timings more accurately. And there you have it. Changing your time zone in Skool is quick and easy. By following the steps we went through today, you'll always be in sync with your schedule, no matter where in the world you happen to be. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out other guides for optimizing your school experience. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.